Which of the following is a factor of x plus y whole cube minus x cube plus y cube? The given options are A. X square plus y square plus 2xy. Option B is x square plus y square minus xy. Option C is xy square, and option D is 3xy. So, how are we going to solve this question? It's looking complex, but it is not. As I always say, start solving the question, and this one, believe me, is easier than you can even think about. Let's do this. X plus y whole cube minus x cube plus y cube. If we have to find the correct option, we have to factorize this question first. When we factorize it, we will get the factors, and then we can check which of them is present in the options and which one is the correct one. So now, how are we going to factorize it? Looking at the entire expression, you can see that we have one entity raised to the power 3 and another entity no power. That means here in these two we don't have any identity that can be applied. So let's look at the individual terms. So here we have x plus y whole cube. So yes, I can recall an identity. A plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Let's apply this identity. Here a is nothing but x and b is nothing but y, and if you see, you don't have to even replace any digit or any other number. It is straight away a as x and b as y. You can see that this is nothing but the straight formula. Makes it way more easier. So this is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So you see, we have just rewritten the formula, replacing a with x and b with y. Next we have minus x cube plus y cube. Next step, let's open this bracket also. So here we have x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square minus, since there is a minus outside the bracket, the sign of all the terms inside will invert, that is change. Minus will become plus, plus will become minus. So if you look at the first term, that is x cube, which is plus, will become minus x cube. Same way, plus y cube will become minus y cube. Now look at this. Here we have x cube, here we have minus x cube, cancels out each other. We have plus y cube and we have minus y cube, cancels out each other. So now we are left with 3x square y plus 3xy square, which is equal to, look at this, we have 3 in both the terms, we have x in both the terms, and we have y in both the terms. That means we can take 3 as common, since 3 is present in both. Then in x we have x square and x. Lower power is where we have simply x. That means we can take x. Same way y and y square. So we can take y as common. So now in this 3x square y, 3xy is taken as common, so we are left with simply x. Then we have plus sign. Here we have 3xy square. 3xy is taken as common. 3 is gone, x is gone. Y square, 1y is gone. So we are left only with 1y. And that is the answer. We got two factors. One is 3xy while the other is x plus y. Now let us look at the options and see if 3xy and x plus y are there. Yes, we have 3xy. This is the right option. No, we don't have x plus y. This is not the right answer. This is not the right answer. This is also not the right answer. So you see, this was a simple, straight question. You just have to remember the identity. The only challenge such kind of questions is if you ever forget the identity, you will be stuck and you won't be able to solve it. So keep the identities handy inside your brain. Use your memory and keep it there. You have the identity, there is no issues in solving such questions. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.